I'm Mac Main, and this Young Money, the brother get him.
Yeah, straight out the hood, a young hoodlum. Done what I shouldn't, did what they say I couldn't. Hear what all the killers hear that. Hung what the other hustlers slung at. Waiting on to get back. Get that, flip that, debating on the mix match. Switch that from dope to coke, I'm going up fast. Now you niggas is slowing up fast.
I can hear myself, but I can't feel myself. I wanna feel myself like Tweet.
Yeah, now my niggas is blowing up abs. If I tell them you niggas is holding up cash, rolling up, stepping out of the phantom's ass. Put your lighters away, you're talking to a can of gas. There's nothing to say no matter who comes to ask. And murder ain't funny, but we do love to laugh. Shit, we just live and take money, take baths. Take a nigga bitch and fuck and send her back with nothing. Now isn't that disgusting? Give him back your sister, give him back